This is a product review of the Air Choice True HEPA Filter Room Purifier. This HEPA filter has 3 fan speeds with an auto off timer, an auto sleep mode. It is made for a room about 322 square feet, so that's probably a huge bedroom, a massive living room, half the size of an apartment building. The filter will automatically detect the air quality and adjust for the appropriate fan speed so that you can filter the room properly. It removes 99.97% of dust, pollen, smoke, household odors, pet dander, down to the size of 0.3 microns. It has a sleep mode with very quiet operation, so you can sleep while it is running and keeping the air in your house clean. A HEPA filter is very important if you have a pet, if you live in the city where you have lots of smog and dirt particles outside, if you live by a farm where you have airplanes spraying chemicals, if you live by an airport, if you live by the freeway, anywhere at all in our society today, our air is dirty and you need to have fresh, clean air when you are in the house so that you can remain healthy. The filter does have a light that lets you know when it needs to be replaced. I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video so that you can purchase directly from Amazon. It has a 1-year warranty. I'm going to plug this in now. It comes with a filter that has a plastic bag on it, so we're going to take the bag off of the filter, turn everything on, and see what it sounds like. To remove the filter, put your hands on the front of both sides and pull the front cover forward. There's a piece of tape over there I forgot to remove. And inside there we have our filter. Take the plastic cover off of the filter. Make sure that you install this properly the way it came out. You can see over there there's a label that says front pull. We're going to put the filter back inside this unit. This filter is huge because it's filtering an enormous amount of space, over 300 square feet. Take the cover, line it back up with the bottom, snap it back in place, and now we're done. We're going to turn this on and listen to the sound. I plugged it in and I had a little beep sound, so we're going to press the power button now. There we go. We have different light colors on the front. So this is now in standby mode. I'm going to press the speed control. I'm listening and I can barely hear the sound. This must be in the quiet mode. Okay, we've got 2 lights over there right now. This must be medium. I have an airplane flying outside in the background, then I hear the airplane and I do not hear the air filter, even on the medium level. Let's go to the high sound. Okay, so when it's on the high sound, you definitely can hear it, and it sounds like a standard room fan. Let's go back and do that again. We have it on auto mode, so the advantage of auto mode is that it will detect the quality of the air and figure out what setting, what speed setting it needs to be on for the fan. I have it on low. Right now it's set to low, which means the quality of the air here is good. We have a sleep mode. I can barely hear it. We have a timer mode with a light over there for 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours, again, and it's off. We have a reset button over on the left for the filter. You have the on-off button. Makes a little bit of musical sounds when you turn it off. Press it again, turn it on. Have a little blue, red, green light. Let's press the speed. And as I'm sure you can barely hear it. You just cannot hear this thing. So the advantage is that you have a beautiful filter. It's very nice looking. It's very sleek, shiny, brownish color on the top, we have a nice white outside case. It is quiet. It's cleaning the air while you were walking around in the daytime, doing work in the office, sleeping at nighttime. If you have a baby, this is perfect. It's going to keep the air fresh and clean. And for you or your family, it keeps the air nice and crisp and clean so that your lungs can remain healthy. Now for me, we have the light over here, which is blue. Blue is good, red is unhealthy, and green is moderate for the quality of air in the room. The filter that I showed you at the beginning is a HEPA filter. It has a pre-filter, it has the regular HEPA filter, and it has an ions filter. The sleep mode sets the unit to the lowest setting so that you're able to get fresh air while you are sleeping, and the auto timer allows you to set the time for anywhere from 1, 2, 4, or 8 hours before it turns off. This is the Air Choice model AP-528 that you can purchase on Amazon. Make sure to look for the link in the video description.